5 years after India's apex court decriminalized homosexuality, a five-judge constitution bench is hearing a batch of petitions seeking legal recognition of same-sex marriages. The centre has already said that homosexual marriages are just an urban elitist concept. LGBTQ members say it's time that they are fully assimilated into society with all the legal rights which are accorded to regular couples.
My Lord, the Solicitor General is aware of all the persons that we are talking of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights by their very nature are a limitation on the legislative power of the state. Your Lordship need not defer to Parliament.
Not for a second saying
if it is a fundamental right,
not
Lord,
there.
And if it
Who
is,
should protect the fundamental
if it is
right?
a
Whether by
status,
parliamentary law.
All right, what
Live streamed.
Two individuals who met who had a bond of faith.
A five-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court in sitting.
They want to, my lord, reach the status of a married couple, like the other person, and have a family. They cherish the same, my lord, what is cherished by the others. They want to lead a dignified life, what the others also lead.
A historic case under consideration. 5 years after the top court decriminalized homosexuality in 2018 by scrapping a colonial-era ban on gay sex. Final arguments underway now on petitions seeking to legalize same-sex marriage.
There is no absolute concept of a man or an absolute concept of a woman at all. That's the whole argument in a broader purpose.
Biological man, my lord, means man only. It means, my lord, biological man.
Biological man is not a definition of what your genitals are. It's far more complex.
The bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud hears them out. The centre has opposed the pleas and raised objections to the hearing itself, insisting Parliament is the only forum to decide on the creation of a new social relationship.
The question is not right of equality, right of dignity, or right of privacy of persons who belong to LGBTQ community. That is first. The question is right of conferment of a socio-legal status and whether that can be done by judicial adjudication.
The court says it is well within its right to consider the matter. On behalf of petitioners, senior advocate Mukul Rothgi argued for equality, dignity, liberty and fraternity as he read out the preamble of the Constitution.
I was amazed to hear the other side saying, my lord, that we are not equal. I heard this submission, that we are not equal to the brethren of the heterosexual group. It's an astounding statement coming, my lord, from a state. The Constitution does not make two classes of citizens, my lord. It makes only one class, people of India. Let us start, my lord. I am amazed to say that we are not equal, as if we must continue to be treated as those, my lord, who are tainted or stigmatized. That is the mindset today. That mindset continues. And therefore it is important for this court to step in. Because, my lord, it has removed one obstacle of 377. But after that, where?